it's kind of exploded. I actually made this in the air fryer and it kind of exploded a little bit. Hopefully it's not too cooled down. Let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today you're watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. Mukbang is an eating show, so we're gonna eat together and we're gonna chat. And today it's a little bit different because we're actually doing a taste test. Oh my gosh, as you can see here, we got lots of food in front of me. We're doing a taste test of President's Choice products. So President's Choice is a Canadian company. They are a huge like food company and they, I think recently came out with a huge line of plant-based products. So I'm really excited. I don't think I've tried any of these except for one thing. So I'm so excited to taste test everything and give you guys my honest opinion and let you know what I think, okay? So I'm gonna have to dig right in because I am really hungry because I ate just an orange for breakfast, so I could do this taste test and be hungry enough to eat like everything. And honestly, I think we can do pretty well. So, okay, let's start taste testing. So, what do I even start with? I am so overwhelmed. I think I want to start with the burger. Like, I just need a bite of this burger. So this is their beef style burger, and of course I put it in an actual, you know, burger. Okay, and it kind of reminds me of the Beyond Burger, like how it cooks. It's like just as greasy. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, okay. There's some lettuce, some pickles, some red onion in here. I would say it does kind of have that Beyond Burger taste a little bit. It's a lot more mild though. Beyond Burger is a lot stronger of taste. Let me have another bite. It's pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna have a little bit of just the burger. I wonder how this is. Okay. Yeah, it could use a little bit more flavor. I feel like it could be slightly smokier, slightly more flavorful. It is definitely very mild. In a burger, it tastes pretty good, but on its own, it tastes a little bit bland, maybe? Okay, I want another bite though. It's pretty good. I can't remember how much this was though. I feel like it's around the same price as the Beyond Burger. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper. For the same price, I would probably get the Beyond Burger, but it's pretty tasty. Yeah, okay, I already have like half that burger because I was so hungry. Okay, what's next? Okay, we're gonna try these questionable meat pieces. So these are beef style strips and chicken style strips. And I would like to say that they don't look so appetizing. They look kind of like dog food, a little bit, but I'm curious. Let's just try it. This one is the beef style strips. You probably like want to stir fry it with stuff, but I just want to try it on its own. Cheers! Okay, let's try this. I don't know what to make of this. Texture is quite tough. Like, it looks like it would be tough, right? It's tough. It's kind of like jerky texture, maybe? There's not much of a taste. It's not that great. I have some A1 sauce, okay? Maybe with some sauce, it's better. The sauce just overpowers it, but not my favorite. Like, it's not cheap, and it really like doesn't taste like much, to be honest. Like, I feel like they could have added more flavor, like more smokiness or something. It just kind of tastes like blah with like a tough texture. Okay, so now I want to try these little bites. These are called Veggie Bites. This is made apparently with corn, carrot, and kale. It's quite soft. Okay, a little mushy. Maybe I undercooked it, who knows? There's definitely some veggies in here. I'm just gonna take a bite. Much better than this. It's quite soft, softer than like a falafel. It's pretty good. It's not the best thing. I remember when I lived in the UK, you could go to like any like little street like falafel, like shawarma place, and they had these like veggie burgers, and they would like be made of stuff like this. It was just like random veggies and some kind of mush. Not the best, but not the worst. Okay, would I get it again? No, probably not. You can make much better little patties at home, I think. I'm gonna refresh my palate with a tomato. This one I'm the most excited about. These are mozzarella sticks, plant-based mozzarella sticks. We're just gonna dig right in. I have some like pasta sauce, which is basically marinara, come on. And it's kind of exploded. I actually made this in the air fryer and it kind of exploded a little bit. Hopefully it's not too cooled down. Let's try it. Okay, let me do another bite. I need to get a proper assessment of this. That one's pretty good. Again, it's a mild cheesy taste, but I like that it stretches. Oh my gosh. Tastes pretty good. It's not too overwhelming, but the cheesy taste is pretty good, but it's mild. I don't know, I think it's pretty good. Okay, I'm down for those mozzarella sticks. Oh guys, okay, well first of all, let's have some bubbly, okay? My usual. This time I got strawberry. Here we go. So by the way, my usual mukbangs are not like this. Usually I'm just eating like a big meal, but today is more of a taste test / mukbang. And I always drink bubbly though, so. Oh, so refreshing. Okay, we're trying this questionable chicken strip material. It pretty much feels the same as the beef strips, and I have a feeling it's not gonna taste much different. I feel like it's just different colors, but let's try it. Okay, let's try it on its own. Okay. Texture seems to be a little bit softer. I think it does have a little bit, I mean, I haven't had chicken in like 10 years, but it does have a little bit of a chickeny taste, a little bit. I definitely prefer these over the beef strips, but I still wouldn't get these again, probably. I just don't see the point. It does have a bit of like chickeny taste, but it's like what's the point? Just make some like tofu, you know? I don't know. I don't get this, but I'll have another piece. I mean, when you douse it in sauce, it's good, but then you might as well make tofu, you know? Now I want to try this dip. This is roasted red pepper cashew dip. Very curious about this. I'm just gonna put some on a piece of sourdough bread. Okay. Let's have some of that. By the way though, this thing, I opened it and this packaging was like kind of half off. So it's a bit questionable. I mean, maybe it was just a, you know, bad packaging, but who knows. Okay, let's try this cashew dip. This is good. It tastes sweet like roasted pepper. I don't really taste too much cashew, but it tastes very much like roasted pepper, kind of like the roasted pepper pasta sauce. It's good, but you can make it at home. How about we try this? There we go. These little things have too much of like a chickpea flour taste. I don't like chickpea flour taste too much. But the dip, I approve. Okay? You know what though? I kind of want another bite of the burger, so let's get into it. I feel like it really is very close to a Beyond Burger, just less strong of a taste. Oh, you know what I want to do? I'm eating too many of these mozzarella sticks. But look at this. The burger, the mozzarella sticks. Guys, I think you know what my favorite products are. Okay, now I feel like I've tried most things, but I do have this yogurt. This is the one thing I've tried from this brand and I love it. So I thought I would show you guys, okay? This is the plain coconut yogurt, okay? And it is so good. I'm just gonna have a little bit. It's just plain yogurt, but it's like really good. There's no off-putting taste. It's quite mild again. I think like the theme is that they like to do things a little bit mild. Is that the theme of President's Choice? Everything's a little bit mild. Sometimes it works and sometimes it does not. But for the yogurt, it works for me. So Cheers. And you can actually use this as like a sour cream replacement if you're making like tacos and stuff, and it's actually so good and it's so much healthier. So that's the yogurt. And now guys, are we ready for dessert? But first I kind of want to finish this little ugly thing that I should probably finish. Let's make a little wrap. These strips are so bad. They're like little bricks. I don't understand who okayed this. Let's eat it. Nuh-uh. It's not good. It's not good. These are not good. I just want to see a picture of this. Wait a second. These pictures are not accurate. I know it's marketing, but still. Okay. There's a reason why they're showing them inside the wrap. Oh gosh. Okay. No more bashing. Let's talk about what I like. So far, the burger, very good. Recommend. Actually, for people that think Beyond Burger is too much and it's too heavy or something, or it's too flavorful, this might actually be better than the Beyond Burger. So if you think the Beyond Burger like taste is a little bit too overwhelming, the PC one might be a lot better. The Mozzarella Sticks, definitely so good. They're probably like my fave thing out of everything here. But we do have this dessert, my friends. We have a dessert. So we have this lovely chocolate cheesecake, I think. Oh, we have something else. Guys, by the way, we have something else in the oven. It's just waiting. But this is dessert number 1. So this thing right here is a chocolate cheesecake, vegan chocolate cheesecake. It looks pretty good. Let's cut it up. Ooh, fancy. Oh, maybe I should. Okay guys, it looks like a giant cookie or a peanut butter cup. Let's have a small piece because we have another dessert coming. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Smells mild. Theme of today's video, mild. So it has like a nice chocolatey crust, and we'll see what it tastes like. It's good. I wouldn't say, maybe slightly cheesecakey. It reminds me more of a ice cream cake. Like it's like an ice cream cake, like chocolate ice cream cake, but it's good. There's no off-putting taste. The chocolate flavor is actually pretty nice. Like it's not too mild, but it's not like off-putting. I've had some like vegan, like frozen cheesecake stuff that has like a bit of a weird, like off-putting taste, but this one doesn't. This one just tastes like really nice chocolate ice cream cake. I kind of get the cheesecake part a little bit, just a little bit, but it's good. This one I recommend. This one I definitely recommend. The crust is nice and soft too. It's pretty tasty. I'm down for this. One more. Oh wow, this is like my 4th one of these. These are so good. Okay. I mean, it's like deep fried vegan cheese. How could it not be good? All right, we're finishing this. I think I mainly dislike these 3 things. Goodbye. Goodbye. We don't like those, but we like everything else. These things. And the cake is actually very good. Highly recommend. It's like a vegan ice cream cake. Highly recommend that. And now we're just waiting for the dessert. So it's gonna be a few more minutes, and I will see you guys in just 2 seconds. Okay, so guys, while we're waiting for the dessert, I decided I'm just gonna eat the burger. Okay, it's a good burger. I don't like to waste a burger, you know? I feel like the more I eat this, the more it tastes like a Beyond Burger. I don't know why. How do I do this? How did I do this last time? Guys, now I'm gonna always put Mozzarella Sticks in a burger. Look at that. I wonder if it's healthier. I don't know. Per burger, it's 270 calories. I will compare it to a Beyond Burger. Now I'm feeling full, but there's like 2 bites left, so. I feel like I ate like 15 of these, but now I can't eat this without. This combination is like so good. Can I do this in one last bite? Now I feel kind of sick. I think I had one too many of these. So now we'll see you with the dessert number 2, okay? All right, you guys, so the pie is done. This one is called, for those of you that don't live in Canada, here we have all our labels in French and English. So, tarte custade aux pommes. Yes, I used to learn French and that went to waste, apparently. Apple crumble pie, yes. French is a very difficult language. So this is apple crumble pie. I'm pretty excited about this because it looks pretty epic. So the only issue is that it took an hour in the oven, apparently. So I don't know how to cut this. That's the issue. Do I cut it in the pie pan? Yeah, you know what? In the pie pan is probably the safest. So let's have a look, guys. I'm very curious about this pie. Ooh, are we seeing this? That looks pretty legit. Looks like there's like some real apple in here. Just put it on the cutting board. Oh, I'm excited to try this. All right, guys, let's try this apple crumble pie. All right, cheers. Very sweet. Definitely not mild, this thing. The apple is still nice and crunchy. The top is nice and crumbly. Very, very sweet. I feel like there's a lot of sugar in this, and I feel like I'm just messing it up right now. Lots of apple, it seems. Guys, this is legit. It's almost like somebody baked it. It's almost like a homemade pie, you know? The crust appears to be very thin. I do like the crust though. Almost reminds me of a McDonald's apple pie, but like obviously more wholesome. This might be my like second favorite thing after the Mozzarella Sticks. We're finishing this. I can't work under these conditions. President's choice. You did well with this one. The crumble on top is so good too. There you go. There was my taste test. There were some ugly things, but overall I would say at least half the products were pretty good. So that's good. Actually more than half, I think, were approved by me. So that's very exciting. They have also more products that weren't available at my store, I believe, but it's a wide range of plant-based items, which is very exciting. Yeah, if you're in Canada, maybe show them a little bit of love. You got my review on all these different products, so you can choose which ones you want to get. I don't suggest the beef or chicken strips, and I don't suggest those veggie bite things, but pretty much everything else was pretty good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this random taste test / mukbang. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.